हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। आज हम करने वाले हैं कैलाश चंद्रा मैगजीन में से एक्सरसाइज नंबर 296। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। स्टार्ट। मिस्टर चेयरमैन, देयर इज़ नो डाउट दैट ए measure of this kind is required when we want to promote public libraries in our country, and I am glad the Honorable Minister has taken this opportunity of giving us some idea of the policy of the government with regard to this matter. But what he has said is dismally disappointing. Stop. The Congress has been in power for so many years, and the present government has been there after the new parliament was elected for about 5 years. Stop. All that we have been told is that they had set up only 2 new libraries in, and that another one will be started soon. Stop. The first one, of course, has been in existence for a long time. Stop. This is not a record which does credit to the government, but it only shows that insofar as the policy of promoting public libraries in this country is concerned, government has been dismally negligent in the matter and has done practically nothing to promote such libraries. Stop. I think that on that score, government well deserves condemnation from all sections of public opinion in our country. Stop. Now, do we understand that the government does not have resources for starting such libraries? Question mark. I do not think that that will be the contention of the government, that it does not have the wherewithal to start such libraries. Stop. They have plenty of cash, and they can certainly employ that for starting public libraries. Stop. Therefore, on that score, at least government cannot seek justification for the policy followed in this matter. Stop. Mr. Chairman, I have a feeling that these are matters which are considered to be of extremely secondary importance by the central government. Stop. Sometimes something is done with a view to putting up a show, or at least for saying that they are going to do something, but actually no better step is taken to develop such institutions as public libraries. Stop. Had it been otherwise, we would have got by now a larger number of libraries than we have got today, and yet we know that the people in the cities at any rate require these facilities extended to them, not only in the big cities but also in smaller towns, and so on. Stop. Government has done nothing of the kind. Stop. I can tell you something about the policy of the government even when it acted in the matter. Stop. अगर आपको जो वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर ज़रूर करें, और साथ ही इस चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।